Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video we have this Canon G7X camera, actually the same one that I'm filming on at the moment. Now this is bought from eBay as an untested faulty lot, so who knows what problem it has. I've tried a battery on it, it won't turn on, so we're going to take it apart, examine it and see what we can come up with, so stick around. So as we can see from the teardown, this thing has some pretty bad water damage throughout the whole thing. So much so that these connectors on the board here actually just disintegrated as soon as you touch them. That's how bad the water damage was. Now, there's probably nothing salvageable from this entire unit, so that's a wee lesson. You can try and trust sellers on eBay when they say something's untested, but this thing had screws missing, and so the guy obviously knew what the problem was. So there we are. Oh well, can't win them all. Well guys, that's the end of that video. Unfortunately the camera cannot be repaired, it's just too badly water damaged. That's the problem with buying on eBay. You take the seller's word for that it's faulty and he's untested it, but obviously it showed signs that it had been opened. So the sellers obviously looked at it, seen there's water damage, buttoned it back up again and sold it on eBay. So unfortunately that's the name of the game. You win some, you lose some, and this time we lost on that one, unfortunately. So if you'd like to see more videos of me trying to fix things and maybe actually fixing things, if you hit like, subscribe and hit the wee bell notification button, that would be greatly appreciated. So thanks for watching guys, and see you next time.